Oi oi Saveloy, it's your boy Campbell here, and this is yet another TPT requested by Baby Kee. Here we have Bosley, Otis, and Abby Hatcher disguised as a tall fat lady wearing a light blue inflatable raincoat. Bosley is the head, wearing a wig and a human mask. You can also see a rear view of the fat lady wiggling her big rump, while Otis is letting out a loud snorty sneeze, which sounds as if the fat lady was passing wind. If you like this sexy disguise, give this video a like, leave a comment and subscribe. Over and out.